Welcome to the video, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Mel from LHB Fitness, coming to you guys again with another video. Alright guys, you guys saw it. How do we fix rounded shoulders? For good, for life, forever, right? You see this all the time, whether you're in high school or college, that people are just walking with their backpacks on, hunched over, shoulders super forward. Just doesn't look good, guys. Especially if you see kids in high school just sitting down in chairs. Again, same thing, hunched over. It's very common. Easy fix though, easy fix. You guys can be fixing this in a week, couple weeks to a month. It's easy fix. All right, guys. So, how do we go about fixing rounded shoulders for good in 2021? The year, guys. First things first, let's stretch. So, with rounded shoulders, what that is a muscle imbalance. One side is tightened while the other is weak and stretched. Okay, so first things first, we stretch the overactive, over-tightened muscles, which are the chest and then the lats right under here. Okay, so those two, we gotta stretch them first. So how can we do this? How can we stretch out the chest? You can do this right at home, right on a wall, or right on the door, actually, which is a wall chest stretch. Okay, you put your arm up on the wall, you step forward, and you can rotate slightly the opposite direction from your arm. You should get a stretch there. Hold that for 30 seconds on each side. Do this day in, day out, guys. Simple as that. Next thing is the lats. You could either do it on the bench, you could do it on the wall, which is even easier. You could also do it on the yoga ball or that big ball, the stability ball, whatever you want to call it. So those we could use to stretch out the lats. So guys, like I said, stretch out your chest, stretch out your lats, 30 seconds daily, all right? Easy as that. All right, let's get into the fun part, the strengthening. Strengthening the underactive, weakened muscles. So since the chest and lats are tight, what's weakened? It is the middle and lower traps. You're probably like, well, what's that? I only do upper traps. I only do shrugs. Guys, there's 3 portions to your traps. People neglect the middle and lower. Okay? Extremely important for that alignment. We gotta strengthen those. So, first things first. What is the first exercise? Prone cobra. It's like a Superman, but without lifting your legs. You lie on your stomach, you go forward, on your stomach, your shoulders go forward, and then you squeeze back here, open up the chest, and do a little upside down V. And you squeeze your back for a second or two, and back down, and we'll do that for reps, all right, guys? So for that one, we could do 10 reps, okay? To start off. So we'll add those. Again, if you can, 3 sets, 10 reps. Hold 1 second at the top, rinse, repeat. Okay, so number 2, what to do? Second one, face pulls. All right, pull with your elbow. Have your wrist in line with your elbow, not like this. Right here, okay? Wrist in line with the elbow, pull with the elbow, squeeze your back. Okay, really get that contraction. Okay, what is the next one? We could do this on the bench. I like to do it on an incline, bench, Y raise. To start off, you could put your stomach on the bench. You could start off with no weights, thumb up, get the contraction, and then you could start adding weights, again, with thumb up, okay? So, what is the last one, number 4? Bent over rows. I like to do underhand grip just to get a better contraction. Again, squeezing at the top, guys. All right. So that's the 4th one, but the best one, honestly, in my opinion, if you're going to do any of them, is the cobra, the face pull, and the Y or prone Y raise. All right, guys. So that's it. First thing, stretch the overactive muscles. Then we want to strengthen the underactive muscles And that is how we create muscle balance. That's how we create easy, delicious, non-rounded shoulders. All right, guys, you guys heard it here. You guys heard it here first. All right. If you guys enjoyed this content, found it informative, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be updated when I come out with a new video. If you guys are looking for a one-on-one expert professional to help you guys reach your goals, where you don't have to worry about the exercises, where you don't have to worry about the reps and the sets, where you don't have to worry too much about the food and you're being told what to eat and you're back and you're on track to reach your goals, I got you right here. Alright guys, LHB Fitness, Live Health Based, at Live Health Based on LHB Fitness, on Instagram. You guys can catch me there. I only look at the DMs. So if you guys are interested in that, online and also in person in Bergen County community in New Jersey, please DM me on there. And as always guys, train healthy, train smart, and let's do this 2021 guys. Woo! Yay! Peace.